Hey everyone, and welcome back to WriteUpp's YouTube channel. Before we dive into today's content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. This helps us bring you more of the content you love, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. If you're a health practitioner, you know how essential it is to write effective referral letters. And today we're diving into how to craft a successful GP referral letter that ensures seamless patient care and clear communication. So let's get started. A referral letter is more than just a formality. It's a crucial tool in the communication between primary and secondary care providers. A well-written letter can significantly affect how a GP prioritizes your patients, so it's important to get it right. So what exactly should a great referral letter include? Well, let's break it down. First up, personal information. This includes the patient's full name, date of birth, contact details, any relevant identifiers like an NHS number that you can include in there. It's really important to introduce the patient properly to the consultant. Next up, registered GP details. Always make sure you include the GP's name and the contact info. It's all about making sure the letter reaches the right hands. So now you want to look at the condition, describe the patient's health issue with details about symptoms, duration and intensity. And this helps the consultant understand the urgency and specific needs of the case. Medical history is also key. Include any past medical concerns and medications, as this will provide a comprehensive view of the patient's health background. Remember to include referral details. Specify where you are sending your patient, including the consultant's name and the department. And it's also important to indicate the urgency of the referral. If it's urgent, state why and state it at the top to make sure your patient receives timely care. Once you've sent the letter, a follow-up is really important. Make sure your patient has been seen within an appropriate time frame. Looking at common mistakes that are usually made with GP referral letters, a big one is overloading the letter with too much unnecessary information. It's crucial to keep your letter concise and to the point. And another frequent error is not specifying the urgency. So like I said before, if it's urgent, say it clearly, say it at the top and explain why. This helps ensure that your patient gets really timely care. Writing a great referral letter is an art that reflects your professionalism and care for your patient's well-being. And remember, your efforts here really make a difference in your patient's healthcare journey. Now let's look at how you can streamline your referral process using templates and tech. Templates can be a game changer. They help you remember essential information and maintain consistency across all your communications. Using practice management software like WriteUpp, you can create, store and send referral letters directly, ensuring they're always professional and complete. And with features like customizable templates and secure online storage, WriteUpp makes it really easy to manage your referral letters, reducing errors and ultimately saving you time. And if you want to streamline this process, consider using practice management systems like WriteUpp just to create templates and send letters directly from your system. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who you think might benefit from it as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and hit that bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.